back and we back. I'm gonna try to get a used tire real quick, man. This shit'll drag. Alright, man, so we're gonna see what they talking about with this tire. We're gonna get back finished, get it to the paint shop we did. So today is the day, test drive day. But this tire shit gotta work. My man said they gave me a 215 instead, so we instead of a 205. It darned them up. It's 215 over 205. I don't know what that's gonna be like, but we're gonna see what it is. Stay tuned, we're gonna be back in the house in a little bit. Alright, I paid already. Appreciate it. Alright, so we got that tire, y'all, so let's get going. Let's get going, you did. Alright, people, I'm sitting here working, man. So this side ain't getting any breaks, man. And of course it's credit and all this good shit, so I don't know what's happening with this side. What I did was I was trying to bleed the brake, and there's literally no fluid coming out of the caliper. But you know, so I started trying to troubleshoot it to see what was going on, and I unloosened the line here, and there's tons of fluid coming out of there. So it's something between here and the actual caliper that's causing it not to get any fluid to the caliper. However, passenger side is getting brakes. Passenger side getting brake. What I did, as you can see, it's rotating. And then what I did was I went ahead and stuck a stick over here. Bam, stuck that stick, and now this one won't move at all. It won't move. So it's getting mad brake over here. I'm thinking, man, this may be enough just to get it to the shop. I'm gonna test drive it to see right in this area. As long as we can slow roll it, get it on a trailer and stop it on a trailer, we should be good. We should be good. So stay tuned. We're gonna see what's today. You did? So stay tuned. Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna see what's up. See if this joint going gear, and see if it going reverse, all that good stuff. Alright, my peoples, so it wasn't lined up, it ain't had no transmission fluid in it, so I fixed it. I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on with it real quick. Do some of that fitting, bro. is today is coming down off the stands and it's going on the trailer right now. You did. Trailer already out there. Trailer waiting. A bittersweet moment, man. You know what I mean? So practically got this all done, as much as I can get done. My paint guy right now, he wants me to just go ahead and bring it, so I'm going to bring it. So let me tell you what's happening right now. So the car is right. The car is spinning. The spinning tires, both reverse and drive. I do have some brakes back in the back. This was my biggest fear, having brakes to be able to stop this shit, because once I get down this hill, man, oh, it's gonna be something. But the problem is I don't have a brake booster on this thing or whatever, so it's kind of hard to stop it. You gotta put your back into it to get it to stop. But it does stop. It does stop. One of the things that it's doing right now that I was trying to get done before I sent it over to him was to get this transmission from leaking, to stop leaking. And it's only leaking at the dipstick, so there isn't a rubber grommet. I just realized there isn't a rubber grommet in the dipstick holder section, or the dipstick hole, and I need to get a rubber grommet for that and then put this dipstick back in, and we should be good to go. However, I did order the grommet. The grommet is actually supposed to be here today, but we've been prolonging on getting this car to the paint shop. It's supposed to have been gone since last week Monday, and we tired of prolonging it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, when the grommet does come in today, I'm gonna go ahead and run the grommet over to the paint shop, along with the hood, the two bumpers, the spoiler, because the spoiler is going on here. I'm gonna take all that at one time, and then I'll fix that little leak situation, and we'll be done with that. You did. So without further ado, man, we're gonna get started. We're gonna go and get this thing jacked up and get everything cleared from up under it, lower it back down, and we're gonna ride out. You did. So stay tuned.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
And I'm sitting extra low in the front. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna set y'all up down here at the bottom. I'm gonna get y'all going. You did. It's bad. So, what is that? Power steering pump, where that hose go? Actually, where the freak that hose go? Oh, it's right here. So, that's not tight. This thing is going on that trailer today, though. Today. Alright, y'all, so stay tuned. Let me get this cleaned up. I have shit all on my car. I gotta get this sprayed on.